Joke 1. Every night, a man used to dream about donkey cricket matches. One day, he went to the doctor. The doctor gave him medicine and said, "Take this. You won't see donkeys playing cricket in your dreams again." The man replied, "Doctor, I won't take it today. Tonight is the final match." Joke 2. Two friends used to constantly insult each other. One day, they made a rule. Whoever insults the other must pay a 5 Afghani fine. One day, one of them got really angry and almost insulted the other. But then he checked his pocket and said, "Ugh, I really wish I had 5 rupees. Joke 3. It said, one day after prayer, the mullah announced on the loudspeaker, "Today I want to introduce someone who used to be a thief, a liar, a drunk. In short, someone with every sinful trait. But now he has repented and left everything." Then he said, "Torgal, come forward and tell everyone how you repented." Torgal came and said, "I used to steal and do many wrong things. Allah had kept my sins hidden, but ever since I repented, this mullah has exposed them all." Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free, but it really supports me a lot.